Hi guys, I was making a coffee this morning and I discovered or I observed a weird acoustic phenomenon. Have a look at this and do it at home if you want. Come in close. I noticed that when I made a coffee, hot coffee, and it didn't work with something cold or with a glass or something, gave it a few stirs because I put a bit of sugar in it, and then listen to this. Also works if I tap the side of it. That's how I originally discovered it, and I'm not sure why. I'm not sure whether it's got to do with the something to do with the coffee mug and the hot coffee. The question is the tone actually increasing, or are we just hearing that? That's it. Go home and try it for yourself. Thanks for watching.